Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Instagram Reels with Kapwing. And whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will show you how to stand out and get more views on Instagram. Open any of the web browser you prefer. And after that, in the top, there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it here. You can simply create a new account. You can simply create a new account, or you can simply go with one of the drafts as well by clicking onto this draft here, and it will automatically ends up into this editing studio. What you can do is you can simply trim and arrange from the edge of the clip as well. Then keep the clip short and dynamic, and Instagram users scroll fast. You can also add intro text or animation on the left hand side. Find the text here, type down any of the text that you prefer, click onto this add text again, simply add a text, and over here type down the text. You can also add music in the left hand side. There's an audio. Click onto this audio. You can upload it, you can record it, or you can simply browse to the Kapwing music as well. You can also put the AI video templates and layers. And after you're done, what you can do is make sure to preview it before exporting and tap on export in the top right. And after that, you can upload it under your Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.